Hello and welcome. My name is Zohaib Fazil, and over the next few minutes, we are going to talk about how the markets performed last week and what are the expectations that we can have from the market in the next week. So, first, how was the market performance last week? So, last week, markets, were in a range bound with Friday turning out to be a strong, bullish area for the market where market was able to break 24,500 decisively during the day. It was very close to 24,600, where there was some kind of a profit booking that got the market back to 24,500. But it was the first day as well where the markets closed above 24,500. It closed, I think, at 24,502. The weekly low for the market last week was, I think, 24,150 on the downside, and the high was about 24,600 on the upside. From the institutional figures perspective, FIIs bought 4,000 crores worth of stocks last week in the cash market, while DIIs have decided to book profits in the market, and they have sold close to about 3,000 crores worth of stocks. Now, last week, TCS performed, better. I think on Friday it was higher by close to about 6%. The results were okay. They were not that great, but because they were above the market estimates, there was a strong short covering seen in TCS, which brought TCS above, which helped TCS to close with strong gains at 6%. I think HCL also came out with results on Friday, another IT company, top four company, uh, but I think the results were again okay because of some sort of other income. They were able to post a net profit of close to 20%, but revenue growth was about 5 or 6%, which is not quite impressive. Now, coming down to next week, what should be the expectation from the market in the next week? So on Monday, my sense is that 24,400 will act as a very strong support for the market. There will be a lot of people who will be trying to go long at 24,400. So that's going to provide a very strong support for the market. Now, from a weekly range perspective, I think 24,150 on the downside is going to offer very strong support zone. There will be a lot of longs that will start building up at that level. And 24,750 to 24,800 odd levels will act as strong resistance for the markets. Now, two big results, which is HDFC Bank and Reliance, those are going to happen over the next weekend. So that that will create some kind of volatility in the market on Thursday and Friday. As well, we have the budget in the week after. I mean, people will also start taking positions accordingly. There is a very high likelihood that the VIX is going to go up because of the budget in the week of I think 20. I think it's on 23rd of July. So with that perspective, execute your positions accordingly. Once again, to reiterate, 24,150 will be a strong support zone for the market, with 24,750 to 24,800 acting as strong resistance for the market. And people who are interested to take positions can take positions accordingly. That's it for now. Hope you have a wonderful trading week next week. Thank you, everyone, and bye bye.